Good morning. Myself Dr. Gangesh Sagundwana, affiliated to Indian Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, India. Today I am going to explain the meaningful decipherment of the Indus script, which has yet not been deciphered meaningfully by the many scholars, academicians and researchers, and its meaningful decipherment is still a question for the academia and scholars. So, on the basis of our resource material, whatever academicians and scholars have done research to find out the meaningful decipherment of the Indus script after the excavation of 1921 to 22, but no one able to crack the meaningfully all text of the Indus script, but I have the faith myself, and after studying I would like to emphasize on the point that some scholars and academicians have overlooked the work of the Indian scholar Dr. Kangali, who have meaningfully deciphered the Indus script in Gondi language and published in 2002. But so far nobody is paying attention towards his work. But when I come across after completing my PhD from the history department of BHU, I come across the work of the Iravatham Mahadevan, Walter Fair Service and Dr. Kangali. I compared the works of these scholars. When I try to understand the meaning of the each signs and symbols, it was surprisingly matching with the culture, language and social structure of the largest Koitur or Gund society of the South Asia. So, whatever efforts have been done so far, I have just shortlisted the names of all these things. First, just some of the chief attempts till date includes Iravatham Mahadevan's works, published Concordance 1977, Konorozheva et al.'s work, Russian expert group, they in the view of that these language is Dravidian, and third one Subbarayappa, explanation and interpretation as pure numerals, and S. R. Rao's interpreting as Vedic literature. Barpola et al.'s work, Finnish expert group also have given their view that it is belonging to Dravidian culture, mostly from Tamil. And Gregor L. Pasehel, 1966 and 1979, he had done a great work for the new research scholars, but most promising and mind-blowing works is as considered by me Walter Fair Service and Motiram Kangali, though both scholars are no more in amongst us now. Others, Andrew Robinson, J. Mark Kenoyer studies as also uploaded on the internet and in the hard copy, but ongoing efforts are still being carried out by just Kalyan Raman from South India, Nisha Yadav et al. From TFIR Bombay, and M. Danino Ahmedabad IIT in India, RPN Rao and many others. But whatever required the sources for me to crack the meaningfully Indus script and text, I have gone through basic sources of this Indus script studies. First is the collection in India, corpus of Indus seals and inscriptions, and Indus scripts text concordance and table by the Iravatham Mahadevan. He has done a great work and very meticulously all these information has been compiled in his book. These are the pictures of the book sources, and next which are the main sources for me to compare and find out the meaningful decipherment or cracking the meaning of the Indus script is the Harappan civilization and its writing, a model for decipherment of the Indus script by the Walter Fair Service, and in Hindi language Sandhvi Lipika Gondi में उद्वाचन, that is decipherment of Indus script in Gondi, and other books related to Dr. Kangali, that is Gondwana Code Darshan and Gondwana का सांस्कृतिक इतिहास. These books are very useful for the decipherment and knowing the culture and social structure of the Indus Valley civilizations. How the Koiturs and Gonds people were originated from the Amurkut, that is Amarkantak, and migrated in different direction in the different clan and branch of the family tree. These information any scholar can find out from the ancient Pata of the Gondian peoples, where information about the language, their originations, culture, and how and which chief preceptor and Guru Mukhya evolve and establish the social structure which are based on 750 clans, 2250 totems and 12 saga systems. These are the basic and very ancient information. On the basis of that, myself in before academia and the research scholar of the worlds and citizens of this globe, I would like to explain each and every text whatever I am going to explain and cracking the text given in the Irauthan Mahadevan's text concordance. So, this is the first and the longest tablet with the 26 Indus signs. First side is M495, second side 495 GB and third 49B. How it has been deciphered meaningfully, let us see and I will explain each and every sign meaningfully and in sentence. From right side, first sign is Polli plus diacritical mark Ta or Na, Pollina. Second sign Potukoya, third sign Pratiyar and Ond, that is Kaudial and Mundala, Oman, has been identified by me in Koya language on the basis of the Dr. Kangali's grammatical structure and Walter Fair service and what is the adjective meaning and other meanings. But in sentence there is a integration of the some signs to make the these text meaningfully. From left to right, Pollina, Potukoya, Pratiyar, And, Kaudial, Mundoloman, that is in हिंदी, गांव का सूर्यवंशी कोया कपास मालिक है, जिम्मेदार व्यक्ति मुंदोलोमान, that is मुंदोलोमान is name. In English, सूर्यवंशी कोया of village, cotton owner is responsible person, Mundoloman. Next, from right to left, first sign is identify in Koya language as Matya, second Null, same way Andi, Kepal, Kurbil, Parai, Akka, Iru. From left to right, Matya, Lunandi, Kepal, Bilkor, Parai, Akka, Iru. In हिंदी, माटिया लुनांदी का संरक्षक अक्का इरू बिलकोर से श्रेष्ठ है. In English we can translate it, patron of Matya Lunandi, Akka Iru is senior or superior to Bilkor. Akka Iru and Bilkor is the name of the person. Third side, how it has been deciphered meaningfully, same way with consistency of the Koya language and identification of the each sign in Koya language and its root morphemes. First sign is on the right to left. Second, Irbil and all, same way, Gondola, Iru, Air, Irbil, Siring, Murapen on. Now, left to right we can read Andi, Irbilal, Gondola, Iru, Air, Irbil, Sireng, Murapen on. How the sentence is being found meaningfully like the other languages are present different languages. आद्य इरबिलाल समुदाय इरबिल दक्षिणी मुरापेन है. मुरापेन मीन्स देव. बुर्रापेन देव इज आल्सो प्रिवलेंट इन द कोयतूर सोसाइटी. In English we can translate it, first Irbilal of Gondola, Air Irbil is southern Murapen. Murapen is a deity. This text is mentioned in Harappa, located at eastern of the Punjab province, Pakistan now. Text in the Indus script, text is already 401, it is the number of the text and remaining 6 digit indicates difference of material, their sides and symbols, line of text and direction. Last line 1 is indicate from right to left. We are going to crack the meaning and meaningfully how sentence has been taken out by me. First, Pottu, Second sign is Pakal. Third Tor. Likewise, Nur, Mun, Tor, Nail, Ana, Undi, Siring. From left to right, Potu, Pakal, Tor, Nurmun, नारनेल, आना, उंदी, सिरिंग, दैट इज पोतु पकाल का प्रमुख प्रथम ग्राम खेती का प्राचीन निशानी इन हिंदी. वी कैन ट्रांसलेट इन इंग्लिश. ओल्ड मार्क ऑफ चीफ फर्स्ट विलेज फार्म फील्ड ऑफ पोतु पकाल. ओल्ड मार्क ऑफ चीफ फर्स्ट विलेज फार्म ऑफ पोतु पकाल. पोतु पकाल इज नेम ऑफ प्लेस. नेक्स्ट चन्नू दारो विच इज लोकेटेड एट south of Mohenjo-daro in Sindh Prant, now Pakistan. This text in two lines from right side. First is diamond shapes and inside there is a small settlement identified as a Urkot. There is a diacritical mark that is Tor in Koya language. Urkot Tor. Second line Murapoy Madisar And. Second line first sign is Murapoy and second is Madisar. Third is And. In sentences, उरकोट तोर मुरापोय मादिसार आंद मीन्स उरकोट का प्रधान मुखिया सभापति है. इन इंग्लिश प्राइम चीफ ऑफ उरकोट इज मीटिंग चेयरपर्सन और असेंबली चेयरपर्सन. नेक्स्ट दिस टेक्स्ट हैज बीन डिस्कवर्ड फ्रॉम द लोथल. दिस इज आल्सो सील टेबलेट. फ्रॉम राइट साइड first Indus sign is identified as Tugga, second is Muri, likewise Murapo, Sirapo, Nurmun are. After combining Nurmun are in one word it will become Nurmunar. From left to right Tugga, Muri, Murapo, Sirapo, Nurmunar. That is in Hindi. अनाज अंबार का प्रधान मुखिया सिरापो सर्वशक्तिशाली है. In English Prime chief of bundle of grain heap, Serapo most powerful. Next, Kalibangan, near left river bank of the Ghagra Hakra, Punjab. This sign is also read from right to left. This is very remarkable and noteworthy to this text. How it is similarly belonging to the Koitur and Gond community. This sign indicates and its meaning. First sign is Koya, second is Undi, third sign is Gand and fourth is And. And sign is very frequently occurring at the end of the text. It is remarkable which indicates the is form of the to be. That is Koya Undi Gand And. It means Koya प्राचीन गण है. In English Koya is an ancient गण means human being. Other sites which are also compiled in the Rathon Mahadevan's text book. It is also read from the right. First sign is same Urkot Tor, third Serapo, fourth Nelpatu and last And, ending of the text. From right to left and left to right Urkot Tor, Serapo, Nelpatu And. उरकोट का ज्येष्ठ मुखिया खेत प्रमुख है. In English senior chief of Urkot is farm chief. Here Urkot means a small town or kasba. This is found at Mohenjo-daro, south of the Mohenjo-daro. From right to left, first sign is Bilambal, second is Nor, likewise Nail, Nor, Talapoy, Talala, Talal, Koti, Nelarar, And. Left to right, we can read Bilambal, Nal, Nail, Tor, Talapoy, तलाला, तलाल, कोटी, नेलाराल, आंध. तीर धनुषधारी ग्राम कृषि का शीर्ष मुखिया, शीर्ष माप मुखिया कोटी नेराल है. इन इंग्लिश एरो बोमैन ऑफ विलेज फील्ड इज कोटी नेराल, हाईएस्ट चीफ, टॉप मेजरमेंट चीफ. नेक्स्ट दिस टेक्स्ट इज फाउंड फ्रॉम देसलपुर, नखत्राना तालुक, कच्छ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, गुजरात इन इंडिया. इट इज आल्सो read from right. उरकोट तोर उंदी, मुरापो, सिरापो, पदु, पोदुकाल, आंद. Each and every sign in its meaning has been identify and its meaning has been taken from the Koitur Akoya language, which very much exactly fitting in the text and giving the meaningful explanation. From left to right, Urkot Tor, Undi Murapoi, Serapoi, Padu Patugal and, that is उरकोट का प्रथम प्रधान मुखिया सीनियर मुखिया पदु पोतुगाल है. In English, first prime chief, senior chief of Urkot is Padu Potugal. Padu Potugal is the name of person. Next, found at Surkotra, Rapar Taluk, Kutch district, Gujarat. It is also read from right. This first sign is centralized place, indicating centralized place, that is gondola, means in group, which is very much similar to the Gondian and Koitur people who are living in group and centralized way in their social life. That is identified as gondola. Gondola means community or kabila or samu. Second sign is bilambal. There is a bow and all one human like shape is there, that is identified as bilambal. Nail Tor Nal Oman. Last sign is Oman. From left to right we can meaningfully decipher it. Gondola Bilambal Nail Tor Naloman, that is समुदाय बिलमाल या बिमाल हेती का महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति है. Communities Bimal, importance person of farming. Bimal pen is pen on deity of the Koitur community. It is similar to the Indus Valley civilizations. Same is here. Meaning is coming out with this from this text. This is also found at Surkotra, Ropar district and Gujarat. It is in two lines from right to left. Andi Nel Patu Nelal या Kalta And. Very important. It indicates that to peasant community. From left to right. Next line is Koya or Koyal. Andi Nel Patu Kalta and Koyal. That is प्रथम खेती प्रमुख कृषक वंशी है कोया. Means Koya community is a peasant community. This text is gives information which has been discovered from extracted from the Kutch district, that is Rapar Taluk of Gujarat state in India. In English, first farm chief of farmer clan is Koya. Next, it is also found this asterisk mark is doubtfully read, but it gives the correct meaning. I have correct this meaningfully, but this asterisk mark is symbolizing for a doubtful reading, but it is giving the correct meaning. First sign is Tugga and second is nail, third is satar, means left to right. Tugga Negal satar. Tugga nail satar means first Tugga means anaj ambar, nail means khet and satar means niyantrak. In Hindi, anaj ambar khet niyantrak. In English, the grain heap field controller. Next, West Asia sites. West Asian sites. It is also deciphered from right to left. First sign is identified as Irbilambal. Second is Nuru. There is diacritical mark Tor in Koya language, and this is number Nal, and this sign is last sign is Oman. After indicating Naloman, it will become Naloman. Same way from right to left to right. अति प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्ति गांव का नालोमान. नालोमान मीन्स नेम ऑफ द पर्सन. और अति प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्ति आटा चक्की वाला नालोमान. दिस साइन इज आल्सो इंडिकेट जो है ग्राइंडिंग इक्विपमेंट, दिस इज नूरू. एंड इंग्लिश फ्लावर मिलर नालोमान वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन, और नालोमान ऑफ विलेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन. नेक्स्ट, फाउंड एट किस, an island in the Persian Gulf of near Iran. Very important how it is going to link with the Indian subcontinent civilization with the western side away from the Indian subcontinent extending to the Iran-Iraq border. This sign is found there and it has been correct meaningfully from right to left. This sign is Sirkana, second is Akka, likewise Kalta, Mundsaga Pari, Muthwa Poy, Nar Omal And. after indicating from left to right, Sirkana Akka Kalta, मुंद सगा पारी मुठवा पोय नरोमाल आंद मीन्स दक्षिण के अक्का माता परिवार का 3 सगा गोत्रज गुरुमुखिया नरोमाल है. दिस इज सगा सिस्टम आल्सो प्रिवेलिंग इन Gund and Koitur society in India. It is similar to this text giving the meaning correct. 3 Saga Pari chief preceptor of Mother Akka family of south is Naromal. Next, found at Ur, an ancient region in the Mesopotamia near Iraq, Tigris Euphrates rivers. This is also read from right to left direction. First sign is identified as Sireng, and second is Nelpatu, and third is right critical mark, that is possessive case ta, and fourth is Kova, and this is Sai. 5 lines are there, means Sai in Koya language. How it will be read meaningfully from left to right? Sireng Nelpatu ta कोवासी और कोवासय मीन्स दक्षिण पश्चिम का धातु संग्राहक, दक्षिण पश्चिम का धातु संग्राहक इन हिंदी, इन इंग्लिश मेटल कलेक्टर ऑफ साउथ वेस्ट. फर्स्ट साइन इज इंडिकेटिंग साउथ डायरेक्शन, सेकेंड साइन इज नेलपातु मीन्स वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. दिस साइन एंड टेक्स्ट हैज बीन फाउंड फ्रॉम द टेलो, दैट इज कैपिटल सिटी इन एंसेंट सुमेर, साउथ ईस्टर्न ऑफ इराक. इट इज आल्सो deciphered from right to left direction, that is first sign is Ira, third is Mund, third is Murandi, and next Bilambal, last is And. And is very frequently occurring at the end of the text. It indicates the verb, that is present tense is. In sentence, Ira Mund Murandi Bilambal And. Ira Mund Saropari निशाने बाज है in Hindi. In English, Ira Mund is outstanding aimer, that is excellent arrow bow operator or practitioner. Next, found at probably West Asia. This sign is also read from right to left. First sign is Kori Kira. There is a sign which is similar to the Kori, means plough, fall of the India. And is a Kana. Last age is added with the Kira, means Kori Kira. Second, Potu Koyal, Tor, Iru, Ala. 2 times Ala means कोरी कीरा पोत कोयाल तोर इरु अलांग मीन्स कृषक पोत कोया का 2 माप. 2 measuring parts means आला of farmer पोत कोया. 2 measuring parts of farmer पोत कोया. Next, this is also found at West Asia and it has been read from left to right. First sign is indicating numeral 3 which is in Koya language Mun, second Tala and third is Irbil, fourth is Undi, fifth is Muthwapo means chief preceptor and sixth is Mun again and all. This is the indication of the all means showing that some individual or human being figure raising their right hand indicating some profession. It means craftsmanship or some skilled person. How it has been read in meaningfully in Koya language? Let us see. Muntala Irbil Undi Muthwa Poi Mun Al means Muntal Irbil Pratham Guru Mukhiya Shrest Karigar means Muntal Irbil first. Muntal Irbil means name, it is a name. First chief preceptor, highly skilled person. How meaningfully it gives text meaning in Koya language and translation in Hindi and English for our viewers and research scholars which are doing research on these industry scripts. So far after elapse of 102 years, nobody is able to crack, but how 22 years elapsed, nobody pay attention to the work of Dr. Kangali and Walter F. Service. Myself, I devoted myself to the study more than 7 years and I am able to decipher all texts which are compiled by Ravthan Mahadevan from the page number 39 to 160 and approximately 3900 line of text. Next, these are the artifacts and pictures of the Indus Valley civilization, and there is also weight and measuring sites there is and these are the very small, these are found from 1 inch to 2 inch, that is 2.5 centimeter to 5 centimeter. These human being having their hands, these are the seals. Now new seals, these are how we can read. From right side we can read and I can correct meaning before all my viewers. From right side, this is the sign of gondola. Second is diacritical mark gondola tor. Third is Nuru. This sign is identified Tari. There is And, means gondola tor Nuru Tari And, means in Hindi समुदाय का पिसाई स्थल है, means grinding place of community. It is grinding place of community in English. Next, all these information and their pictures and artifacts and paintings which are being shown here, it is very similar and still prevalent and remnants as a remnants in Koitur society, and Koitur artists and sculptors are making all these type of arts and artists. We can see and visualize comparison between all this. This is some scholars are telling that this picture human being is a bishop or some pujari, but it indicates that a bhumka in Koitur language. It is covering his body with the design of the cloth, indicating 3 stars like symbols on their clothes. It is similar to the our Koiturian society. Now this last sign is, as scholars have tell, dancing girl, but I am in opposite opinion. Why? Because dancing girl's gesture and posture is not being seen in this picture and sculpture. Why? Because this picture is nude. Any society, if is in dancing mood, their expression should be very pleasing and should be decorated with some clothes. But you see the imagination of the sculptures, I think that's why this picture has been made in and carved out in such a manner. But is mean by view, it is not a dancing girl. It is a imagination of the some sculpture in that period, and it indicates girls of that society in different sense. Next, this is also a very much important sign, that is showing a boat and Indus script is marked on the upper side. We can correct the meaning from right side to the left. Nel patu mun muthwa po and donga nor ana annal. It means Nel patu mun means in Hindi पश्चिम का प्रथम गुरु मुखिया है, नावों का कप्तान, means western first chief preceptor is captain of boats in English. Second, this sign is text is the artifact is found from the Daima with the chariot. Somebody is telling that this with the unknown person is behind, and this cell is Jebu with the 6 signs. It can be read from the head side of the Jebu bull. From the this side Madi Padu, there is a sign of Madi identified in Koya language, and within that there is a 10 stroke. That means Madi Padur means agenda of the assembly या meeting. This sign is Nuru. Third is Niral. Next is Nar means village. Fifth is Gondola. There is diacritical mark Ta means Madi Padur, Nuru Niral, नार गोंडोला ता मीन्स सभा विषय मुखिया, निराल ग्राम समुदाय का इन इंग्लिश. सब्जेक्ट एजेंडा ऑफ मीटिंग चीफ निराल ऑफ विलेज कम्युनिटी in English. Next, this is new sign which is not been included in Iravathan Mahadevan's compilation Indus text table and concordance, but it has been on the same basis and identification. These signs has been deciphered meaningfully, which has been found from Kirsara Indus valleys. How it has been read from left to right? This is a tablet. First sign is Murandi, second Potukoya, likewise Siri Muthwapo, Sirkana Madiyar, Murakka Oma Siring. It has been read from left to right and identified from left to right in Koya language, each sign. And how in meaningfully deciphered in sentences. The highest Suryavanshi Koya Siri Muthwapo, assembly chairperson. First mother Oma Siring of the south. Means highest Suryavanshi Koya Siri Muthwapo, assembly chief person, first mother, Oma Sering of the South. Oma Sering, the name of the woman. It indicates that there is a female or mother centered society in Indus Valley civilization in that time. Next, this sign also has been corrected by me in Koya language and grammar of the Koitur, Gundi language. This having the 14 signs, it has been corrected meaningfully. How this artifact is similar to the Gundian or Koiturian artifacts and arts, right side has been shown by me. This is also the imagination of the painters or sculptors or artists, how their imagination is deriving in their painting and artists. It is similar to the Indus Valley civilizations arts and artifacts. From right to left, first sign is Ambaral, next is Lor, likewise Ambaral, Lor, Potugalk, two signs are there, plural becomes Potugalk, and Mara, Urkot, Tor, Talapo, Mutwa, Poeta, Nurmun, Ir, Nalkot, And, right to left in Koya language. In English, maternal authority of Suryavanshi residential place Urkot. Urkot is a place here, small town of the Indus Valley civilization. Highest chief preceptor's main site is Nalkot. Nalkot is a big town or high place where Nalkot is situated. It is also extension of the Urkot, means the big size of Nalkot. Nalkot is the name of the city or small town. How in sentences it has been corrected meaningfully by me. Maternal authority of Suryavanshi residential place Urkot. Highest chief preceptor's main site is Nalkot. Nalkot is a small town. This also is a signboard which many scholars and academicians are trying to decipher and give the meaningful sense of this sign, but nobody is able to correct meaningfully so far. But I am able to correct on the basis of same idea and opinion and identification of each and every science and individual science and in the text. How it has been read from right to left. First sign is Potukoya from right side. I have written from left side. Second, Gondolalang. Two gondola sign is there. After making plural, Gondolang. Same is Ta, means diacritical mark, possessive case or genitive case. Next sign is Tala, next sign is Coat, next sign Gondola again, and next sign is Ari or Ali, means king or chief. Next sign is again Tari. Tari also gives the name of place or giving the sense of possessive case. Again Gondola. How it has been deciphered meaningfully in sentences? Suryavanshi community's grand court. Suryavanshi's community's grand court, community gondola of community chief, community or gondola of community chief. It has been deciphered. That is Suryavanshi community's grand court, gondola, Ali, Tari, gondola means gondola chief of gondola, माने कबीला मुखिया कबीला. Next also it is also found in Nuhato. There is a three sign from left to right. This is same Pollina, first sign. And second is Anami, means protector or shield. There is a last sign And. Pollina Anami And. It gives the sense correctly and mindfully correct meaning. Pollina Anami And means गाँव का संरक्षक है, means protector of, it is protector of village. Next, this sign is suspected. Many scholars have told that it has been taken from the private sources, but some believe that it is faking by the industry in Pakistan. But this Indus sign and text has been written on this copper plate, which has been published by the Professor Shinde and Village in 2014, but I am able to correct all these. He has, though they have identified the 34 sign, but it having 36 signs. It has been meaningfully deciphered. Next time I will explain each sign and line with meaning of each and every text and sign in Koya language with explanation all these texts and symbols. At last, I would like to request and urge from the academia and scholarly world that meanwhile research on the Indus Valley script is in progress. Testing of all these data, whatever I am delivered and what I have been deciphered by the Walter F. Service and Dr. Moti Rao Nangali, which is also designated or given the honor as 89th lingo of the Koya Murideep and Gondwana of this land, Greater Gondi scholar of India, extensively possible, and more secrets will soon be revealed. Do the corroborative research and substantiate the claim of Koya culture. Also, initiative must be coming forth from all quarters to preserve and protect the evidences of old culture, particularly by safeguarding the customs and rituals of the Koya people, Koiturian peoples, without whose existence the contemporary evidences are very much available on the initiative and dispassionate intellectual endeavor yet to come in this direction to reconstruct the history of the people whose life is so far deeply buried under concocted story and competing historical claims. Finally, I would like to read out this line, and after that I will conclude my lecture on these Indus Valley civilization and their decipherment in Koya language. Finally, I would like to tell that Kangali has opined while deciphering Indus script Gondi 2002 language that all signs, symbols and lessons of Indus script can meaningfully be deciphered in Gondi or Koya language only, along with Koitur's rich socio-cultural legacy, as I have already briefly explained about their social structure, their saga system, a factorial system and clan system and totem systems. Thank you. Jivatal Seva Johar.